Hello, everyone. I'm Astra, your trainer from V's Tech Horizon. Today, we'll be discussing Introduction to Arduino IDE and Installation, the gateway to programming controllers. This is an exciting first step into understanding how we can program controllers to perform tasks and bring our ideas to life. Let's get started. To begin with, let's talk about coding. What is coding? Coding is the process of writing instructions for a controller to perform specific tasks. These instructions tell the controller how to process inputs and produce outputs, such as lighting up an LED or controlling a motor. Now, let's look at why coding is important. Coding is essential because it allows controllers to process data from sensors and devices, control outputs like motors, LEDs, and displays, interact with the environment to perform automated tasks. This is what enables us to create automation, robotics, and IoT projects. Without coding, none of this would be possible. Let's look at a simple flowchart to understand how coding interacts with hardware. Here, you'll see that sensors like an LDR and an IR sensor provide inputs to a controller, such as an Arduino. The Arduino processes these inputs and gives an output to devices like a power LED circuit. This flow, input, processing, output, is the foundation of every project you'll create. Now that we understand coding, let's talk about IDEs, or integrated development environments. Why use the Arduino IDE? It simplifies writing, debugging, and uploading code to controllers. It's specifically tailored for programming Arduino boards, making it beginner-friendly. Here are some key features of the Arduino IDE. Built-in libraries for components like sensors, motors, and displays. A serial monitor for real-time debugging and data visualization. Compatibility with various microcontrollers like Arduino Uno, Nano, and Mega. These features make the Arduino IDE a powerful tool for building projects. For beginners, Arduino IDE has some fantastic features. An intuitive user interface that's easy to navigate. Pre-installed examples to help you get started quickly. Large library support for various components. A serial monitor to see what's happening in real time. It's cross-platform, so it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Let's now understand how the Arduino IDE works. First, you write your code in the IDE. This is called a sketch, and it's written in C or C++. Next, the IDE compiles the code to check for errors. Then, you upload the code to your microcontroller using a USB cable. Finally, the controller executes the instructions and controls the connected devices. This is the basic flow of operation when using the Arduino IDE. Now comes the practical part, installing the Arduino IDE. Instead of explaining this step by step here, I'll show you a detailed video that walks you through the installation process. The video includes downloading the IDE, installing necessary drivers, and setting up libraries. Let's watch. All right, let's start installing the Arduino IDE step by step. First, open your browser, Google Chrome in my case. Second, type Arduino IDE in the search bar and press enter. Then, click on the first result, which is the official Arduino website. Then on the website, scroll down to the Downloads section. You'll see options for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Choose the one for your system. I'll download for Windows, then click on Just Download. When prompted again, click Just Download and save the file. Now, let's wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. Then double-click on the file to start the installation. Click I agree to accept the terms, then click Next and install. Wait for the installation to finish. When the installation is complete, click Finish. The Arduino IDE will open automatically. This is what the interface looks like, simple and ready for you to start coding. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Arduino IDE. Now, you have the basic setup ready to start working on projects. In the next video, we'll explore software tools like Tinkercad and Walkwi, which allow you to simulate and design your projects virtually before building them. Stay tuned and keep exploring.